Hey guys, Michael Koski here once again with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful new fifth wheel. This is a new 2023 Cherokee 265 GDKBL fifth wheel. Bunkhouse, lightweight, about 8,000 pounds dry. Great RV to take the whole family camping. This is the Black Label edition. Fiberglass, frameless windows, juice package, solar on board. I'll do a little walk around on the outside. We'll go inside, see what you think. At any point, call me, text me, 218-740-4968. I'm happy to help answer any questions I can to help you go camping. So starting up front, fiberglass exterior finish we talked about. Nice diamond plate here. Protect against any road grime, debris that comes up. Nice belly storage, battery compartment, and then pass-through storage on both sides. Battery disconnect up front, your landing leg control, and battery vent. Make our way over here. LP tank, again, side access. Just a real nice look on this Cherokee Black Label. Fiberglass, big power awning with LED lighting. Outdoor speakers, if you want to do that outdoor entertaining. All set up to put your TV outside. Want to watch your favorite event, concert, have some fun. Outdoor kitchen with fridge, outdoor shower and ice maker. Rear storage, your leash latch for the pups. Cannot forget your furry friends. And please don't forget them tied up on the back. That would not be good. We've all seen Christmas, or not Christmas vacation, summer vacation. You don't want to do that. On the back you have your roof access ladder prep, backup camera, nice folding storage tray with your spare tire. Just a lot of nice windows, real clean, nice look. This gray and black is just really sharp. This is a 50 amp service. Get your water heater, outdoor shower, fresh and city water connect, and the other side of your pass-through storage. I'll step back a little bit here so you can get a nice shot. Real nice clean graphics. It's one hell of a nice Cherokee, I'll tell you that. Just really clean and a lot of fun for the whole family. Nice aggressive off-road tires. Now you're not necessarily going to be taking it off-road, but that sidewall protection is really nice to have. Solid steps coming inside in a beautiful living dining area. You got a huge dinette. You could pack the whole family in there. That will convert into a sleeping area. Nice windows. Jackknife sofa up front. A little bit more of your natural looking wood. Kind of a refreshing look from all the dark grays. Nice 12 volt fridge freezer. As I said, it does have the juice package, so you have solar. Great bunk area for the kids with windows and your emergency exit, outlets, charging ports, little ladder, and storage. In the kitchen, great workstation, great surface area, a lot of counter space. You got a big single basin sink. It's really deep. It is metal, so you don't have to worry about the hot pan sticking. But with the sink covers, it makes just a nice, great, solid workstation, prep area for all your cooking needs, camping, what have you. 3-burner cooktop, hood vent, microwave. Great storage. The Cherokee is equipped with a fireplace. It's another alternative heat source. Electric versus running your furnace and burning your LP. Ducted heat and AC, all prepped and ready to go for your TV. Step up into the master. Great storage. All plumbed and ready to go for a TV again. Nice deep wardrobe closets with hangers. Washer dryer prep. Reading lamps. Outlets, charging ports on both sides of the bed. Great storage up above. And again, just real big windows with screens. You can get good cross flow if you want that open air feel without having to run your AC. Nice residential step-in shower with big skylight, full body wash, shower system. Nice ceiling vent. Nice towel rack. Medicine cabinet. Nice deep sink. Storage below. Just a really nice lightweight bunkhouse fifth wheel from Cherokee. Again, my name is Michael Koski with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. As always, thank you for taking the time. Call me, text me, 218-740-4968. Comment, like, share, anything we can do to help you go camping. I appreciate your time as always. Thank you and have a great day.